What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. Today I got the Pixel 6 Pro on the desk, guys. I've been using the Pixel 6 Pro since it came out. It's only getting better and better. And a lot of times with these smartphones and these devices, you can have a better experience when you get the right accessories, guys. So today I'm just sharing some accessories that I use with my Pixel 6 Pro with you guys, and maybe you'll pick them up and you'll enjoy them as well. If you got any accessories that you use with your device that you think I should know about, leave it down in the comment section. First and foremost, guys, you got to protect your phone. So one of the accessories that I'm using right now is cases from Caseology, guys. Really dope case company right here. Really nice protective cases, but also really stylish and not too bulky, guys. I got the Vault right here and I got the Parallax right here. They kind of like in the same colorway of gray. So, I just switch them out to keep them fresh. But yeah, guys, to protect my phone right now, I'm using the Caseology Vault and the Parallax. We gotta switch it up just to keep it fresh, guys. Now, we know these days, guys, cell phone devices are not coming with adapters. They're only coming with cables, no adapters. So we definitely got to grab adapters. And this is the adapter that I've been using lately. It's from OtterBox, guys. They not only make dope cases, but now they make adapters. I use this charging brick right here. That's what I'm gonna call it. And you get in 30 watts out of one Type-C, two Type-Cs, 20 watt and 30 watt. So you're getting some good healthy charging, guys, from this OtterBox adapter, guys. I've been really loving this thing and using it. It's been charging up my Pixel 6 Pro at a good rate. Very quality, doesn't get real hot. And I've been using it for I've had this thing since I got the Pixel 6 Pro. It hasn't burnt out or did anything weird. With some of these other brands, you get stuff and it's not quality. Very quality, very good looking, as you can see. Not too big, but you're getting two Type-Cs, nice OtterBox branding. I love the gloss with the matte finish and the little gold trim, guys. Really slick. And the plug-in pins, they fold down. And they also make very dope cables, guys. So I got the cables to match, the Type-Cs to match. We looking really dope out here charging this thing up, guys. And I'll put this link down in the description also. When you think Pixel, you think pictures, guys. You're gonna want to take some good pictures. You're gonna try your hand at some photography when you got a Pixel. And one thing that could up your game, guys, is this adapter, this tripod adapter for cellular devices, guys. Now, this adapter right here is by Joby, and you can just put this on any tripod that you come across. It's got the, a universal screw on all tripods, and you just hook this thing up and clamp it down on your device, guys. Very nice, strong adapter to put your phone on a tripod. And as you can see, it screws down. You're not going to lose your device, guys. Some of these cheaper adapters, your device will go flying out of them, and you don't want to do that after you spent $900. So yeah, you want to check it out, guys. The little Joby tripod adapter right here. Okay, guys. With this device, guys, you're gonna be taking a lot of footage, getting a lot of pictures, getting a lot of video. And it's always that, those nearby shares and things like that to share footage. But sometimes I wanna save it. Sometimes I want some extra storage. And this Sandisk USBC flash drive is definitely a go-to for me, guys. I love these little things. If you use your smartphones for anything, making YouTube videos, just taking a lot of footage, and you want to transfer some files or you want to save some files to something else and save you some memory, this is definitely a go. I can take this and plug it into my Pixel, put files on there, plug that into my MacBook or plug it into my iPad, whatever I need to do, guys. So definitely this thing is definitely handy, and you want to check this out. Very fast transfer speeds. I'm gonna put a link down in the description so you can check it out, guys. Last but not least, guys, you're gonna need some earbuds. You're gonna need some headphone type get out, and these PixelBuds A-Series are perfect for the Pixel 6 Pro. Really great price, really good look, guys. You can actually use these as an external microphone with this device also. So I think that is just really, really dope. And when it comes to getting footage and doing different things, they fit really well in the ear. They sound really good, and they at a really good price point under $100. after you spend $900, $800, $600 on the phone, whatever you spend, you don't want to have to spend another $200-$300 on earbuds. You can get you some A-Series, and I always say that A stands for affordable. They look really good. They work really well. They may not have all the features, but what they do really well, guys. And a lot of times I don't even miss those features. And I just love matching branding and things of that nature, and having a cell phone device from the same manufacturer that my earbuds come from. Look really nice, guys. Just a nice setup. It's your man BG Tech Life. If you like this video, if you like any of these accessories, let me know in the comment section. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. If you're not following me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life, go ahead and follow me. But it's your man BG Tech Life. These are the accessories that I use. Let me know the accessories that you use down in the comment section. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. I'm out. Peace.